These are adjustable wrists and slash. You could use them on your ankle weights. These are 5 pound. It goes up the way from 1 pound to 5 pound. Comes in many different type of color. The main reason for ankle and wrist weight is to take your training and your workout to the next level. Now this is 10 pounds. Add in 10 pounds to your body and go for a run or go for a jog or speed walking. You lose 10 times the amount of calories. You're burning more fat. You're having a more effective, insane, I'm telling you, workout. And then when you take off this ankle or wrist weight, depends where you put it on, I'm telling you, you're faster, lighter, and you burn more calories. Your workout, instead of breaking a sweat in an hour, by adding these on, you could break a sweat within 20 minutes. Listen, I use the lighter 2 or 3 pounds and I play basketball. I'm telling you, when I'm done, I got pretty fast, but I'm burnt out. I had a good workout with these ankle weights. And the good thing about it, it's easy. All you gotta do is Velcro, really nice Velcro strap like that. Like, they got, as I said, about 1 pound to 5 pound, and it comes in multi color. But look at that, it's really nice. And what I like, this send a nice storage bag right here. So this bag, you could store them when you finish. And this is a great idea that you could do like arm exercise. You could do legs exercise. You could do a lot of physical exercise using ankle slash wrist weight. So as the holiday is coming up and you want to give somebody a really good gift, this right here is definitely go with a lighter 2 pounds or 3 pounds. Is much more cheaper. It's not expensive, and it's a really good gift because they're gonna love it. They're gonna use it. People who, a lot of people start off with a New Year resolution trying to work out and lose weight. So giving them something like this is a big plus. If you're gonna first time use this is 5 pound. I do not recommend to buy the 5 pounds. Start off with the 2 pounds or the 3 pounds and work your way in. And the first day you're gonna use it, I would say try it for like 20 minutes or 10 minutes just to get the feeling with it. And then every day you could increase that by 10 minutes until you become a pro with it. But overall, it's a really, really good quality. This one is actually a nice quality. They have about 3 or 4 different colors here. Nice stitching. It's like sand in here too, so that's a good thing right there. It's not like, the good thing about this, it's not like, like uncomfortable and when you're walking or you're moving around. It's very comfortable, and the pattern inside, it's really nice. So it's a really good quality overall, easy to store and easy to put away. All right, so check in the comment section for price and details. Also, I'm going to leave Amazon Black Friday deal coming up. Check in the description box, exclusive deal and gifts ideas, so you guys can save a lot of money without paying full price, and all my links will take you directly to Amazon. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. We have a lot more videos coming up, and this is honest review. If it was crappy, it was garbage, I would have let you know, but it's really a decent one overall. It's not my first time buying or using a ankle weights like this. I use it a lot before because I use it in boxing before, but I go with the lighter one. And within 2 to 3 years, most of them will damage. So this one right now, we're gonna put it to the test more. It's been about a week and a half right now, and so far, like everything else, it's pretty good. So I have no complaint, but so far it's really good. All right.